Holler, get it.
Bulbasaur, Charmander, Squirtle.
That's right. Good boy.
He's starting to be nervy.
All your Pokemon followed you. Whoa.
Get it. Oh, it came off. You broke it.
This may come as a surprise to you.
You're gonna
but
break it.
real Pokemon trainers actually catch Pokemon on their own. Oh, you never give me a break. That's because you keep bragging about these two badges.
It's really not unusual for most trainers to capture 20 or 30
You're lucky your Pokemon follow you around. And don't forget, you have our help too.
Here you go.
Don't forget about that, Ash.
You're always putting me down. But I'll show you. I'm gonna prove to you that I can do it.
No, don't get lazy.
Aww.